What is going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make item giver. So first, you're going to need a part in the workspace, and then also you're going to want to create a folder in replicated storage called items, and then put whatever gear items you want in there. I have already put in Bloxicle and the taco, but in this part you want to insert a script, and you want to define the zone or the part or whatever you want to call it as the script parent. You want to define the players as game colon get service players, and you want to define your item folder, which in my case it's in game.replicated storage, and then you want to wait for the child, and I named mine items. So first I'm going to make a function to check if the player has item. It's kind of jumping ahead because we don't even have code to give them the item, but we want to make sure that the player doesn't have the item before we try to give it. For tool and eye pairs, then you want to get the player's backpack, which is all the items it has, and get all the children. And do. And then you want to have another if statement, if tool.name equals item name. Then you want to return true. Then we want to make another for loop here. And then we want to check if tool. And then you want to check if it's actually a tool. So you don't like get rid of something if it has the same name but it's not technically a tool. And then tool.name equals item name, then you return true. And actually, I forgot to change this. You want to change this to player.character and get the children. So if the item's active, it won't show up in the backpack, but it'll be on the character. You just want to double check to make sure. Then you want to otherwise return false. Then we want to create a onTouched function and pass it the hit parameter. I want to define as a character as hit.parent. Then if the character exists, and if you can find the first child of humanoid, then you want to define, well, get the player. So players.get player from character. Then if the player exists, then you want to make a for loop for items and eye pairs, item folder, colon get children, do, and then you want to make sure that if the player does not have the item, and player item dot name, then you basically want to clone the item into their inventory, which you do by item colon clone, and then you want to put the cloned item into the player's backpack. So you do player wait for child backpack. And after all these ends, you want to connect with the touch event. So zone.touched connect on touched. So now if we run this, and now as you can see, if I walk over to this part, whenever I touched, it gives me my taco and my Bloxy Cola, which are in my item folder in replicated storage, as you can see. So that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Later.